Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire outer door panel OS1 part number 134550500. The Frigidaire outer door panel OS1 part number 134550500 is a replacement part for Frigidaire refrigerators. It is the outer panel of the refrigerator door and it is made of stainless steel. This part is designed to fit all Frigidaire refrigerators and it helps to keep the cold air inside the refrigerator and prevent warm air from entering. The panel also helps to protect the refrigerator from damage caused by dirt, dust, and other debris. This part comes with all necessary hardware for installation, including screws and mounting brackets. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace the outer door panel on a Frigidaire refrigerator. It can fix symptoms such as a cracked or damaged outer door panel, or if the door panel is not properly sealing. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unscrew the screws that hold the existing outer door panel in place. 2. Remove the existing outer door panel and set aside. 3. Place the new Frigidaire outer door panel OS1 part number 134550500 in place and align it with the existing holes in the door frame. 4. Secure the new panel with screws, making sure to tighten them securely. 5. Test the new panel to make sure it is properly installed and functioning correctly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.